So we've stopped for the day. We're in Minnesota. We're at another harvest house. And this guy has 600 acres. He farms beans and corn and raises cattle. Pretty cool place. He does all the work, just him and his wife. Run the farm and work it. So he set up this harvest house. You can buy fresh meat, beef, pork, I think poultry maybe. I'm not sure. But pretty nice. So this is where we will spend the night, and then we will go on from there. Cows are a little noisy. Probably tastes pretty good. Anyway, talk to you later.